Humankind has been fascinated with the stars since the beginning of time. Some believe they were holes in the sky for the gods to observe humans. Others thought they were candles that lit the night sky. Ancient Babylonians were even known to worship stars as deities. Undoubtedly, the most important star to us is the sun. There was a great advancement in our understanding of our sun and the stars around us in the 16th century. This was thanks to and made possible by Galileo's invention of a telescope that can magnify up to 20 times. He was able to prove Copernicus's heliocentric model of our solar system. This model states that the sun is at the center of the solar system and not Earth. The heliocentric model still holds true today. Mankind's knowledge of the universe is constantly expanding because we strive to understand and explain it. Thanks to Galileo, we know our solar system revolves around the sun. But what exactly is it, and how did it get there? The sun is a nuclear engine that powers our planet. Without it, we wouldn't exist. The leading theory is the solar nebula theory. Space has a large collection of gas and dust. Gravity draws these particles together, forming a nebula. A nebula is a collection of dust, hydrogen, helium, and other ionized gases. The solar nebula eventually collapses due to gravity. This created a flat, rotating disk of gas and dust. Most of the material was pulled to the center of the disk. This created enough heat and pressure at the center to cause nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion happens when there's enough pressure and heat to fuse 4 atoms of hydrogen to form 1 atom of helium-4. This process releases an immense amount of energy. A majority of that energy is released as light, UV, and infrared radiation. This radiation travels 150 million kilometers until it hits Earth.
Our sun is just one of countless stars in the universe. Stars can be classified depending on characteristics such as mass and brightness. The first classification is called a protostar. A protostar is largely a cloud of gas and dust that will eventually form a star due to gravity. A protostar does not yet undergo nuclear fusion, which can take hundreds of millions of years to achieve. But once this has taken place, it will likely become the most common type of star, a main sequence star. Most of the stars in the universe, including the sun, are main sequence stars. Stars of this kind are similar in size to the sun, and they will continue to shine for billions of years. Stars that are significantly larger, sometimes dozens of times larger than the sun, are classified as supergiant stars. The sheer size of supergiants causes them to die out rather quickly, as they run out of hydrogen within a few million years. Stars may die in different ways as well. For instance, the supergiant star will explode with such force that all of its matter disintegrates, making it disappear afterwards. When most stars run out of hydrogen, they shrink in size and brightness and become a red dwarf star. Hydrogen is mixed into their core, continuing their life for trillions of years. If they run out completely, they become a white dwarf star that will gradually cool off after hundreds of billions of years. Stars that are larger than the sun, but not as big as a supergiant, will cause a supernova upon hydrogen consumption and become a neutron star. If a star even larger than this dies, the supernova may instead collapse and become a black hole. I hope that now, when you look at the stars, you will be even more amazed.
Created using Powtoon.